In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro for project management in just 5 minutes. Whether you're working solo or with a team, Miro offers a versatile platform to help organize and manage your projects effectively. So, let's dive right in. First, start by going to your Miro dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, it's easy to sign up, and you'll be ready to start managing projects quickly. On your dashboard, you'll see an overview of any boards you've created or been invited to. If you're starting a new project, you can either open an existing board or, for a fresh start, click New Board. New boards offer a blank canvas, perfect for tailor-making your project management needs. With your board open, the next step is to bring your team on board. In the top right corner, you'll find the Share button. Click on this to invite team members to collaborate on your board. Input their email addresses and decide on their access level, whether it's just viewing capabilities or full editing rights. This teamwork functionality is pivotal for real-time collaboration. Now that you're set up to collaborate, it's time to add some structure to your board. Look to the left toolbar and find the template option. Clicking this will present you with a variety of options. To streamline the process, select a project management template. It's designed to help organize tasks, timelines, and responsibilities effortlessly. Choose the template that best suits your project's needs, and once it's loaded, start customizing it. Modify the content of your template to align it with the specifics of your project. You're not limited to just text. Add sticky notes, shapes, and frames to build out your plan visually. These features help in breaking down complex tasks into manageable pieces, offering clarity and focus. Color code your elements for better visual distinction, making it easier for your team to follow along. For tracking tasks, consider using a Kanban board, which is a great tool available within Miro. You can break down tasks into phases such as to do, in progress, and done. This not only assists in keeping track of what needs to be done, but also helps in maintaining an overview of your project's progress. Interacting with your team is important. Use the comment feature to give feedback or ask questions directly on the board. This fosters ongoing communication, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. Comments can be linked to specific elements, making it easy to see what aspect they refer to. Lastly, as your project evolves, don't forget to update timelines and priorities. Projects are dynamic, and your board should reflect current priorities and deadlines. This flexibility ensures your project plan is always relevant and actionable. And that's it. You now know how to utilize Miro for efficient project management. By implementing these steps, you can enhance team collaboration and project oversight with ease. Try these steps in your next project and see the difference it makes.